Well, the suspense over the announcement of the list of candidates is turning out to be nail-biting. The TMC has adopted a wait-and-watch policy. It's likely to announce its list for all 294 candidates in one go today. Here's a report of some of the key candidates who may just find their names on the list.
After hectic deliberations in the last leg, the TMC seemed to have finalized its candidate list for 294 seats. Party Supremo Mamata Banerjee is expected to announce the list in one go on Friday. Interestingly, both in 2016 and earlier in 2011, Didi had announced her list on Fridays. While the list has been in the making for quite some time, especially with the help of Prashant Kishore and his team, who have done extensive surveys in each seat to gauge the public mood about every sitting MLA based on their performance. According to sources, impetus is being given on those with clean image, young and new faces. So be ready for surprises. While Mamata has announced her candidature from Nandigram already, among TMC heavyweights who are in fray for a repeat are State Ministers Firhad Hakim, Arup Biswas, Sashi Panja, Jyoti Priya Malik, Partho Chatterjee, among others. Former Kolkata Mayor Suwan Chatterjee's estranged wife Ratna may be pitted against him if the BJP fields the former TMC minister from his Behala Purba seat. Actor Soham Chakrabarti or veteran TMC minister Shohandev Chatterjee may be fielded from Mamata's own Bhawanipur seat. Cricketer Manoj Tiwari in all likelihood will contest from a seat in Howrah. Film star Dayani Ghosh, who joined the party with Tiwari recently, may also get a ticket. Young sensation and one of the party's spokesperson, 25-year-old Debangshu Bhattacharya, may be fielded from Howrah too. Filmmakers Raj Chakrabarti, another new entrant into the TMC, is in the fray too. State Finance Minister Dr. Amit Mitra may give this contest a miss due to failing health. Mitra could not even place the budget this year. Some of the older cine stars like Debashri Roy and Chiranjeet may not get a rerun this time. With the countdown to candidates list in its final leg, Khela Hobe. With Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.